I'm back with another video, and I will be installing this lace on my client here, and she's already braided down, and I'm gonna go in with this Ebin Forever Ultimate Glue. This shit here is better than Gots to Be Gel. So, and it dries faster, and it dries faster, and it holds, honey. When I say it holds, it holds. My client's first time, my first time doing her hair, and her first time wearing a wig. So I feel spish.
Here we go.
Oh, look how that gel just sleek. Yeah, she's natural. This gel makes it look like she got a perm, honey. It mimics the Gots to Be gel. It's like a, you know, you can use it. You can use this instead of glue to install your closures or your closures or your frontals. But I just like to use it to push all the edges back, and my cap, use it for the cap as well. So I'm gonna go in with this brown cap. As I'm putting the cap on, I will be taking my scissors, and I will be cutting out her ear tabs. Well, it's not a tab, but I will be cutting out the ear part so the stocking cap can lay flat on both sides so it doesn't roll up. Also, I will be taking my rat tail comb, and I will be smashing the stocking cap or smushing the stocking cap into the wet glue gel. The only thing I don't like, it just comes in this small little tube. They need to make something bigger, because this thing here, it holds way better than the Gots. You don't need no spray, no nothing. So even I live for this product. Now I'm just going to sew the back of her stocking cap down, because I know I'm not gonna need all the stocking cap. So I'm just gonna sew that part, this portion down, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess part that I don't need.
So I'm gonna go get a clean wrap.
Going in with my 91% alcohol to clean off her forehead area. I will be using this glue here. It comes in a box like this. Also, I forgot to show you guys the part where I put makeup, her color foundation underneath her lace wig and on top of her lace wig as well. The next glue I'm going in with is the Esha. I love this glue. I love those two. The Crazy Hole and the Esha glue together.
It's the best.
It works magic.
Magically.
And now I'm going to use this popsicle stick that I got from my local Walmart. And I'm going to spread the glue out evenly so that it can dry clear. Okay, I'm going in with layer number 2. All right, hold on. Now let's apply this lace, honey.
She is the baddest chick ever.
As you applying the lace into that glue, you don't want to be so hard on like smashing it in or placing it into the glue. You want to be as gentle as possible. So as you can see, I'm just rubbing my hands through, and I'm going to go in with a blow dryer and have it on high heat, and I'm going to comb and blow dry as I smash that lace into that glue. Just get into that lace. I already started cutting. So as you can see, the difference is still lace on one side and it's no lace on the other side. But just look at that naturalness. Like it's coming out the scalp, honey. Just get into it. You see it. I know. Period. I will be going in with my eyebrow razor, and I will be cutting off the excess lace. But just get into it, honey. Get into it. A wet lace. Now I'm just taking my rectail comb and I'm using the metal part, and I'm going down the center of her forehead. She's going to have a middle part. Also, I am going to use my She's Bum wax stick, and I'm going to go in with a hot comb and smooth it all out. But before I smooth it out with the hot comb, I am going to go in with my elastic band that I got from my local Walmart, and I'm going to just tie that around her edges of the lace to give it a better, more melt down. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and smooth out the edges. I'm sorry, not the edges, but smooth out her middle part area so it can lay flat. I went on ahead and curled her hair off camera, but the hair was so soft, the curls was not doing right for me. It was like soft plus the density of the wig. It had to be up 120 density or maybe less than that because the hair, it was just thin and soft. The texture of it was good, but it didn't have no fullness to it. And yeah, so you'll see me playing with her hair, constantly playing with it to get it to my liking. And also I am doing her baby hairs. She wanted baby hairs, and I used eco styling gel just for her baby hairs because it gives it a soft look instead of so harsh and hard looking. It leaves the edges soft. So yeah, I just went in with the eco gel, the clear one, the clear gel, and a clear looking white tube, not tube, but jar. So yeah, that's what I'm using on her edges, and I will continue to keep playing with her curls. And I used a my 1.5 inch what is it, Con Air curler. You'll see me come back in and curl her hair and add a little layers to it in the front, and this will complete the look my client wanted. And yeah. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to go down the middle of her part. I'm going to take this thin piece of string that I got from my local beauty supply store and place it in the middle. And then I'm going to go in with the black spray, the high beam, and I'm going to spray her part. And boom, y'all, get into that part. Also, I want to know what you guys think on this finished look. So leave a comment down below. Also, thumbs this video up. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you click that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you'll never miss another video. Thanks for watching.